ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm Joshua Bediambao, your student nurse from Orfu. May I know your name, ma'am?
I'm Jamaica Yambao,
And your age?
20,
And your birthday, ma'am?
January 7, 2003.
Let me see your... At this time, ma'am, I will transfer you to chair po. Since we don't have a wheelchair, I will transfer you to chair, bed to chair. Then, this time, I will put on my non-sterile gloves. We'll put on mask. You ready, ma'am? Tanggalin ko na po yung phone mo. Okay. Send lang po kayo. Ma'am, I will count of 3 po, tapos angat ko po kayo. Okay, wait lang. I will count of 3. Kasi, upo po kayo, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Hawak ka lang po kayo dito ko na. Okay lang po ba? Hawakan ko po yung sa waist, no? Ganito lang po. Hawak. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.